Welcome to my channel, guys. Hey, we're going to do a lot of videos right here on Blast in the Grass car show down in Hagerman, Idaho. This was back in, let's see, September 16th, 2023. And 329 entries in this little car show. The most I think they've ever had. It was pretty much packed. Lots of hot rods sitting around on the outside of the parking lot even that didn't get in. So enjoy these next few videos. Thank you very much. Have fun. Enjoy. Well, guys, I asked you when I first started putting these videos on here, do you want me to put on a whole hour's worth, or do you want me to put on 10 minutes worth at a time? A couple of you guys said, let's just do short ones. So here's a short one. We're going to try to put these on here, like I said, 10 minutes or real close to that. All right, he's roaring it up over there. Let's go get it. Well, here we are. We're at the food court, and we're going to go get what are we going to get? Look who's with me. What are we going to get, honey?
Corn dogs.
Yeah, because they have what? The best?
The best.
Yeah. So, I ate my elephant ear. Yum, yum. Half of it. Only half. I shared half with her, but she didn't want to eat it now. She wants that corn dog. So we're walking down the food court and looking for one. I'm sure there's one here. You see a corn dog place yet? There's your elephant ears right there. All righty. Still having a great time here. The guy in the Corvette's going to fire that one up for us later. So hang in here for that. Well, I think I'm going to have me a pulled pork sandwich. Yeah, heck with that corn dog over there. But she's going to have the corn dog. I think I'm going to stop right here. All right. I'm going to go. Wait a minute. Can I get some money? I don't got no money. How much are they? Let's see. Pulled pork sandwich. $11. I better count my money.
What are you going to get?
Just a sandwich. People trying to get out, trying to get in. Don't know what they're doing. Let's find out from Ralph. Are you leaving? Are you coming back? Oh, you're out of here? Oh, it's good to see you. I don't think you can get out that way. Yeah, just lift up and go under it. Who cares? We bought that out of a wrecking yard that had been sitting for 15 years. You got it, painted it, fixed it up, and there he goes. Look who I found, guys. Look who I found. The one, the only. Spankmeister. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
You have something to eat?
I'm getting there.
Good looking couple, ain't it?
We are.
Man, we had some good food.
Okay, we're going to fire this Corvette up in the next clip. I was just talking to the owner. I remember I told him about falling out of the tree. Well, he's still not in good shape. He can't breathe real well, can't talk real well, and very camera shy. So he's not going to tell me about it, but he's going to start it up for us. And he said Steve Carlson did all the metal work. I know Steve. That's where did all the frame, built the frame, roll bar and all that. And Bill something or other did all the fiberglass for him. And he's been working on this since for about 10 years. He started on it, gathering parts. And he's not a rich man. He's like everybody else. You got to do what you can do while you can do it, and then you save it, wait. Families come first. And now he has a boat too, and a family. So you know he's working on it, on other stuff. But this is where it is, what it is. Now I'm gonna cut in here with a clip while it's running. So stay tuned for that one. I'll try to cut it in right here.
Pressure, buddy. Just in case, let's just see what happens. It's a fun one, but
Well, as it says there, these are Vickie's photos. That was her video there. These are all the photos she took there. She doesn't usually like these car shows, but she liked this one. Mainly because we have so many friends and family that do this one. We visited, we stayed there all day long, had a great time with the people that were there. The cars were beautiful. It was just an awesome day. The food was good too. It may not look good in these pictures, but you know, barbecue sometimes don't look that good, but man, did it taste good. We also met friends that I hadn't seen in years down there because they're truck drivers. Good food. Oh, there's Chuck. Haven't seen him in many years. Thanks, guys, for watching.
Sally used to carry my books to school. Sally was a good old girl. Helped me with my homework 'cause I was a fool. Sally was a good old girl. If you wanted just a kiss or a little bitty squeeze, she was always